Drones or unmanned aerial systems, initially developed as unarmed eyes in the sky, have transformed into multi-role combat systems, redefining the rules of the battlefield. Today, drones are capable of gathering intelligence, launching precision strikes, and even executing lethal missions autonomously with pinpoint accuracy from far away. For the soldier to have undisturbed mission focus, it is vital to be able to track, to identify, and to jam hostile drones. MyDefence offers battle-proven counter-UAS solutions using the latest developments in artificial intelligence and machine learning. The soldier-borne equipment comprises both RF detectors and jammers, engineered and designed with the soldier at the center of development. Lightweight, ruggedized, battery-powered, and with direction finding. The equipment has unique properties like ease of use, with an average training time of only 15 minutes or less, and being the only jammer in its class to effectively repel drones, leaving the soldier hands-free to complete the mission. The vehicle system, qualified to MIL standard 810, also consists of RF detectors and jammers, which are easily moved from vehicle to vehicle, allowing for maximum operational flexibility. And finally, the MyDefence fixed systems with both RF detectors and RF jammers, engineered to protect critical installations as well as naval applications. Here is how it works. This is a battlefield scenario with soldiers, vehicles, and command typical of today's and future conflicts. When a drone threat emerges, a soldier-borne, vehicle or fixed RF detector will be able to identify the telemetry from the controller to the UAV and video, or data signals from the UAV to the controller, allowing the soldier in control of the system to distinguish the specific drone type, even at very long ranges. All MyDefence systems cover a wide range of frequencies and include industry-leading speed of detection, with a drone library which may be updated by the user. MyDefence jammers work by jamming telemetry and video signals to and from the UAV. The jamming signal works with surgical precision by the push of a button. When jammed, the UAVs will crash, return to home, or remain non-respondent. The soldier will be able to transmit and share detection in any common battle management system, such as FAD-C2 or a system using NATO's Sapient protocol. This allows the individual groups to get information about hostile drone activity as early as possible, giving them time to react, complete their mission, and stay safe.